The history of this museum is quite interesting. I got a call from Chuck Huckleberry, county administrator, and he said, we're going to be changing the looks of the Pima Justice Courts, and how about if we put the museum, because he knew how good it was, in that building. So I choked on the food, and I said, that's a great idea, and we went from it. And the rest of it is what you see today in front of your eyes. It combines gems and minerals. Most places do not do that. So that makes this museum different. We're trying to do two things: the beauty of what nature can do, but also the science of the evolution of minerals, just the same way that there's evolution in biology.
We have a multitude of incredible specimens. Until the end of the gem show, we currently have what is called the Lion of Marilani. It is the largest cushion-cut Tsavorite garnet in the United States. And it is just a beautiful, mind-blowing green. And it is on loan from the Smithsonian. We have some absolutely gorgeous azurite and malachite specimens that were all mined in the early days of Bisbee. And our museum is so tied to the local history. To have these pieces is just incredible.
We have our little Hope Diamond, or our own little Mona Lisa, and it's a tapestry that is, all the threads are made out of gold, and it has an amazing number of gems.
Each of those ovals in the tapestry are the same exact size and are individually set, which it takes about an hour to set a stone in normal jewelry repair practices. So that's just an exceptional piece of craftsmanship as well. This museum really only works here because it is so special that the largest gem and mineral shows in the world are right here in Tucson, but this allows the community to celebrate it all year long and appreciate the educational value that's not always there when you go to the shows and are pressured to buy something.
We have two labs, a community lab and our major research lab, and we just got a grant funded for our community lab, so we're hoping to get some equipment and some students in there to do some basic research. And then our lab, we're hoping to get some major equipment like a single crystal XRD and an SEM to do a lot of mineral research, like processing a sample and trying to determine what mineral it is. It's really exciting, and what we're trying to do is get a lot of students and other researchers involved from other universities and museums so they can come here and use our space.